Our next company is focused on treating some of the deadliest cancers we know. I'm Joya Das, coming to you from the New York Stock Exchange for Small Cap Nation. And with me today is Peter Culpepper, who is the CEO, acting CEO of Provectus, which trades here on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol PVCT. Welcome to you, Peter.
Thank you so much, Joya.
So, you know, when we're talking about cancer, of course, we want to be able to treat the actual issue that's affecting the body, but we also want to minimize side effects. So tell me a little bit about some of the products that you've got in the pipeline.
Yes, so we are in two major therapeutic areas, oncology and dermatology, and in both of those therapeutic areas, it's very important to work with the immune system. So that's what we do in oncology, is solid tumors. We're actually killing the disease and helping the immune system respond properly to keep the disease from spreading more or to reduce the disease elsewhere in the body. And same thing in dermatology, actually reduce the actual psoriasis or eczema and make sure that the immune system responds properly. So working with the body. Right,
but and you've got, I mean, just reading about you, you've got an array of drugs that you've got in the pipeline, but tell me about the ones that are in the phase 3 trials, because those are probably the ones you're most excited about.
We're in phase 3 for treating melanoma. So this is locally advanced cutaneous melanoma, stage 3B, 3C, 4, M1A melanoma. Right. So fairly significant disease. It's not yet systemic, it's not in a visceral organ, but it's an unmet need. So there's not a standard of care. So it's very important to treat patients more effectively than what we have currently available for patients existing today.
And then some of the drugs that you have in the pipeline are still in phase 1 or phase 2, but I believe that they're treating topical ailments.
Yes, so we do have phase 1, phase 2 in topical, so that's dermatology, so that would be psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, so yes, so that's topical. And then we also have other solid tumor, so we've treated breast cancer in a phase 1, we're in a phase 1B expanded study, cancer is metastatic to the liver.
Sure.
There's a number of different challenges where disease goes to the liver or primary liver cancer, so we're treating those solid tumors in phase 1 and going into phase 1B2, and we're in phase 1B2 and combining our drug with Merck's Keytruda. Very exciting, that's an immunotherapy, same idea, help the immune system respond better by figuring out how to harness it.
And you've got some cosmetic applications that are coming out for just treating stuff that are everyday problems.
Well, and that's where dermatology comes in. Dermatology is very important, and what we don't have currently yet available in the market is a topical dermatological product that can actually take care of the issue, like your psoriasis or your eczema, take care of it by reducing the inflammation and at the same time not hurt your immune system. So we reduce the inflammation, help the psoriasis, atopic dermatitis resolve through our studies, and at the same time keep the immune system from being suppressed. So both in cancer and dermatology, we are modulating the immune system in a way that's helpful for the body. When patients win, we all win.
Yeah.
And ultimately, nothing matters in life unless you can look the patient in the eye and say, here is a compound or a drug. Now it's an investigational drug, so we cannot make a claim as to safety and efficacy now.
Right.
But we want to look the patient in the eye and say, this drug, based on the data, will help your outcome, will improve your outcome. We want to be able to say that for many different solid tumors and for many different skin diseases.
What is your final message to investors?
This is the most exciting time, not just in the industry, but I believe in the company, because we are in the last phase. We're in the phase 3. We're working with large potential partners. We have a collaboration with Boehringer Ingelheim. We have a joint patent with Pfizer. We're working with Merck's drug Keytruda, and there's a lot more in store. So I encourage investors to stay tuned and watch as we deliver data throughout this year and into next.
Exciting times for you. Peter Culpepper, the CEO of Provectus, which trades here at the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol PVCT. Thank you for joining us on Small Cap Nation. I'm Joya Das, coming to you from the New York Stock Exchange. For more interesting insights into companies, visit us at smallcapnation.com.